Hey everyone, so let's check out this puzzle that is 13 plus 37 is 38. How is it possible? 15 plus 53 is 54. No way. 17 plus 72 is 73. 18 plus 81 is what? So definitely you have to think before your answer because that's one is sneaky. So we are dealing with a hidden rule. It's not just simple addition, something else is happening. So let's try this. 13 plus 37 is 50 and 50 minus 13, the first one is 37. 13 plus 37 is 50 and 50 minus the first digit 13 is 37 obviously, and then add 1 is 38. Why we have to solve this? If I'll simply add 1 in the second digit, 37 plus 1 is 38, 53 plus 1 is 54, so 72 plus 1 is 73. It clearly follows the pattern. Then why I have to take long steps? So what is 18 plus 81? So let's use our rule. Did you say 18 plus 81 is 99 and then subtracting 8 to get 81 and then add 1? The final answer is 82. Now try this bonus question, that is 19 plus 91 is what? Follow the same logic, drop your answer below and I'll shout out the first comment correct. And if you love puzzle that mess with your brain but make perfect sense in the end, hit like, subscribe and stay tuned for more.